Welcome back, guys. You're still watching Play TV. Third anniversary है आज Play TV की. We still have RDB with us.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello. Okay, I wanted to ask you a question.
I'm still with you guys.
Thank you.
Acha, I want to ask you a question. Describe a typical day. What do you, your typical routine? What do you get up to?
Other than when I'm working?
Yeah, what do you get up to?
Well, working, not working. What do you? How often do you work? How do you plan your work? What do you do when you wake up?
Okay, well, basically, when I'm working, there is no normal day because obviously every time we do something, whether it's doing a track in a studio, whether it's doing a show, everything's always different because we're either flying to one side of the world or we're flying to the other. So when we're working, everything changes. When we're not working, however, I like to just relax. Me personally, I just at home. Cup of nice masala wali cha, you know what I mean, with the screen and relax and just chill.
That's
Zabardast.
interesting.
Acha, what's in store? You mentioned a few Pakistani artists you wanna have on your album. So which Pakistani artists you fancy you this year?
Now that would be telling.
Acha, chalo, don't. ये नहीं बताओ कौन सा album पे होगा, but who do you like listening to now from Pakistan?
Who are your favorite Pakistani artists?
We have a very good friend of ours with him and his band. That's giving half the answer away. So him and his band is from Pakistan originally, and we've worked with him in the past, and we're featuring him on the album, and it's going to be. The track itself is more of a mellow kind of track. It's more of a love track. So you got to look out for it. I mean, I can't really mention his name just yet, but for the people that know, he's an amazing singer, and he's done really, really well on the album.
Do we get to know his
name?
name?
Look out for that track.
Do we get to know his name?
No,
Of
he's
course,
not.
when the album comes out.
Oh yes,
Only
we
when
will
the
certainly
album
find out.
comes
Acha,
out.
there's a caller right now.
Cool.
Let's take a caller and see. Caller को क्या बात करनी है आपसे? Hello.
Hello.
Hello,
Hi, कौन बात कर रहा है?
Ikra.
Hi,
Ikra, how are you?
Good.
What's up?
Nothing.
First things first, आप Play TV को happy birthday wish कर दे हम
Happy
सबको.
birthday to you.
Thank you. जबरदस्त. इकरा हमारे साथ RDB है.
Yeah, I know.
तो बात करो उनसे कुछ.
Hello.
Hi, how you doing?
Good. I love your songs, the Om Manglam, and I'm your big fan.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Have you heard the remix of the original version as well?
Hello.
इकरा तुमने remix वाला सुना है गाना?
नहीं.
RDB वाला remix सुना है ना तुमने ओम मंगलम का?
Oh yeah.
हाँ, ओम मंगलम का RDB वाला सुना है जबरदस्त. तो तुम उनको कुछ कहोगी कि वो कब आए पाकिस्तान और कॉन्सर्ट करे तुम्हारे लिए आके?
I wanna meet them.
You wanna meet them?
सबको मिलना है.
Hello.
I know.
हम सब मिलना चाह रहे हैं. हम
He
सब
has
यही कह रहे हैं
promised
इकरा
us. उन्होंने हमें promise किया कि जैसे ही album release होती है, he's going to be here in Pakistan. Inshallah, he's going to be here. हमारे साथ बैठे होंगे.
आप
We
एक
all
live
really
concert
excited.
Definitely.
Karina.
Listen. We'll all be out there. All three brothers, plus Nindi Cole, plus the whole team. Everybody will be out there.
Right.
You get a chance to meet us out there.
Amazing. Can't wait for that.
इकरा पूरा का पूरा ग्रुप आएगा उनका और बहुत सारे मस्ती करेंगे. तुम लोग जब RDB को देखोगे ना लाइव, अक्सर तुम लोगों ने शायद वो IFA अवार्ड्स वगैरह में इनकी परफॉर्मेंसेस देखी होंगी. ये ऑडियंस के बीच में से निकल के आते हैं और फिर स्टेज पे जाते हैं. लोग स्टेज से आते हैं और यहाँ जाते हैं. थैंक यू इकरा आपकी कॉल का. And that is a cool style, man. You know, that is trying something different. You guys dance and make your way to the stage.
Then people definitely remember you.
Yeah, people definitely remember.
We think of it as every performance that we do, every live sort of show, we have to try something a little bit different,
Yeah.
and we give the audience a more of a show than just having this. I mean, obviously we perform as vocalists and artists as well, but to have that little spice in the entertainment side, I think it works out.
Yeah, it definitely works out. अभी खबर ये मिली है कि we are lining them up free for our Play TV viewers. It will be free for our Play TV viewers. जितना भी खर्चा होगा, जो कुछ भी होगा, Play TV के ऊपर होगा. And we'll certainly have RDB over here ताकि आप लोगों से जितनी जबरदस्त बॉन्डिंग वो लोग कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे आके कर लें. आप लोग उनको लाइव देख लें परफॉर्म करते हुए. वो अपने डीजे सेट्स पे भी होंगे. उनके साथ अक्सर ढोल वाले भी होते हैं जो ढोल भी धड़ ढोल भी बजाते हैं, गाने भी गाते हैं. They make a lot of noise. They keep my toes on our toes. जंप पे मारते रहेंगे बस आपको.
But now I'm going to ask you a question once again. Like you've worked on Namaste London, you've worked on Sing is King, Come Back to Ishq and Alu Chaat. Now from all these films, which one is your favorite that you have absolutely loved, that you have watched and you have enjoyed it?
Well, the actual films themselves.
Yeah, the actual films that I've mentioned just now.
You know what? I'll be perfectly honest with you. I haven't had a chance to watch the films.
At least you're being honest.
Yeah.
Well, it's true. You know what? If I had time to watch the films, I seriously would. It's just that we've concentrated so much on the music
On
side
the
of things.
music side,
It's
yeah.
very hard for us to go out and actually watch the film. But I'm sure they're all great as each other.
I would
haven't had a chance to
recommend
watch any.
Namaste London.
My brothers have seen them. My brothers have seen them. And I think they really liked Come Back Dishk and Sing Is King. Alu Chaat was good as well in its own kind of unique way.
I'd really recommend
but
watching
I haven't
Namaste
had a chance to
London.
see, I'll be honest.
Yes, actually, all 4 movies are nice. Now let's change this question a little bit. So, which do you work with Indian music directors, or do they just tell you कि ठीक है आपके 2 गाने आप अपने हिसाब से बना के भेज दीजिए, or do you actually work with Himesh Reshammiya and all these people कि अच्छा ठीक है we're thinking about this song और इसको इस तरह से करेंगे? How does it work out?
It depends on the project. Like the Namaste London one, we actually worked with Mr. Himesh, and he kind of had influence in the track that we were making together. Whereas when it came to Sing Is King, we had a collaboration with Snoop Dogg. So we were out in LA a lot. So we were talking to Snoop guys and and trying to have a set beat for him. So we're working with different collaborations. Each track works differently. With the Alu Chaat, that was a Soul Leonardi beat track, but it featured Nidhi Kaur. Same with Come Back Dishk. But the other 2 more of collaborations. So we work with depending on the project.
And what was Snoop's take on getting into the Indian Pakistani side of music, man? How did he find it?
Snoop's a character. He's such a cool character. You know what? He heard the beat, he heard the concept, and he was like, "Damn, man, I'm down for this."
And that's Snoopy
what he
whatever.
said. So you know what? It was a great experience working with that guy. He's such a safe, down to earth type of guy. And when we were shooting the video as well, real cool.
Yeah,
cool.
with the sign that everybody knows now, which is the hand
yeah,
on the
no,
chest.
no.
Yeah.
And when he wears the turban as well, he looks like
Yeah.
such a legend. He looks
My
hilarious.
brother Manj actually tied the turban on him. He was like, what happened in the actual video set itself? He was given, one of those turbans that you could just kind of sits on top of your head, doesn't actually tie, just sits on. He was given one of them, and he was like, I ain't wearing one of them. I want to wear what these guys are wearing. Okay, cool.
Do it
We'll
properly.
Sit down and we'll wrap it around you. So we put a proper bag on him with the tulla and the pins and everything. It worked out.
That was very nice, man. That was very nice. Increasingly, a lot of UK artists, like for example, in Sing Is King, Tiger Style and Jay Dhabi and all of them are featuring now. So, how far do you see this trend going now? Is now UK producers and UK DJs are going to conquer India? Is this the plan or something?
You can't look at it as a UK producer doing a lot more work in it. You got to look at it as the producer, the sound which is right for the track, which is right for the soundtrack, will get used. Whether the guys from UK, from America, from Kenya, from wherever, it doesn't matter, because back in the days, the sound for the Bollywood, there was no one in the States or in the UK that could give that type of the real traditional Bollywood sound. But nowadays the sound and the music is changing, so they have to keep adapting to the style of the film. And that's really what Sing Is King was all about. Sing Is King was, we wanted the collaboration with the hip-hop artists as well as bringing the Bollywood influence in there as well. And that's how we got involved, because we bring that different westernized sound into the films. But I think it's going to keep on adapting. It's going to keep on changing. It's not just going to have one style to it. Always going to adapt.
Yes, I think that is what we require as well, because this is the upcoming, I think, genre. This is the upcoming way now that we fuse it proper Western and proper traditional. We go to the extremes, we bring it out. Actually, RDB goes to the extreme. And khatarnak bass lines, zabardast qisam ki bass lines.